Good day, everyone. Let me ask you a question. When your alarm goes off tomorrow morning, what is the very first feeling that hits your chest? Is it a calm sense of purpose? Or is it that heavy, familiar dread of having to drag yourself out of the bed through another day for somebody else's agenda? For many years, most of us live on complete autopilot. We wake up, we hit snooze maybe 3 to 4 times, grab a cup of coffee, and rush out the door to trade our best energy for a paycheck, only to collapse on the couch at night completely drained. After a while, you sit there and ask yourself, is this really worth it? Is this the whole deal? Building a life worth waking up for doesn't mean you have to quit your job, move to a tropical island, or become a millionaire. It's a shift in how you design your days, protect your energy, and define your actual success. The first reason so many people hate their morning routine is that they're living a life designed for complete strangers. We buy houses we can barely afford, take on debt for cars we don't need, work late hours at a job that actually burns us out, all to maintain an image of success for people who aren't even paying attention. When your whole life is built on external validation, waking up feels like a chore because you're putting on a uniform for a play you never wanted to actually star in. Strip away the expectations. Ask yourself what actually matters when your phone is turned off. Peace under your roof, honest work, time for your partner, and perhaps watching your kids grow. That is the actual foundation. When you stop trying to impress the world who barely knows your name, a massive weight lift lift off your shoulders. People get stuck because they think purpose has to be a massive world-changing mission. They think if they aren't building a giant company, their day doesn't matter. But a life worth waking up for is built on micro purposes. It's the quiet half hour in the morning with your coffee before your house gets noisy. It's the pride you take in doing an honest day's work, regardless of your job title. It's making your family laugh at the dinner table. It's making progress on that small personal project of yours that you've always been wanting to do. Whether that's fixing up something around the house or building a side project step by step. Purpose isn't sitting at the finish line. It's actually hidden in the small daily victories of our lives. You cannot build a life you love if you let everyone else dictate your boundary lines. If you spend your evenings answering corporate emails, scrolling through doom and gloom news, and I mean, we can all agree that that's basically all that's on these days, or arguing with people online, you're letting the outside world poison you. When you go to bed stressed, you actually wake up exhausted. Start treating your peace of mind like a high security vault. Say no to the extra commitments that drain your family time. Put, put the phone in another room for an hour before bed. Protect your weekends. Your company will survive without your late night emails, but your health won't survive the constant burnout. Finally, take, take control of how your day starts. It's the very first thing you do when you open your eyes is check notifications, emails or social media. You have immediately surrendered your morning to the world. You've let other people's emergencies set your mood. What I'm saying today is reclaim that first hour of the morning. Wake up 20 minutes earlier if you have to. Drink your warm drink in silence. Look outside. Talk to your spouse or just sit quietly with your own thoughts. When you own the beginning of your day, you step into the world as a proactive human being, not a reactive victim. Building a life worth waking up for isn't an overnight fix. And I mean, I'm guilty of that. It's a series of small intentional choices we make every single day. Stop waiting for Friday. Stop waiting for the next holiday. Start trimming away the noise today. Build around Build around what actually matters under your roof and take ownership of your own mornings. Thanks for spending time with me outside today. It's getting a little bit warmer. As always, guys, keep it real, protect your peace, and I will see you in the next log. Lekker bly. Cheers, everybody.